Hi there, and welcome to Restrict Video Tutorials. In this video, we will be explaining some general options for the Restrict plugin. There aren't many options and they're pretty much self-explanatory, but let's dive in and see what is offered there. So to access those, head to Restrict and then select General here. And first thing you will notice is this area. In this area, you will be able to define different messages that will be displayed to the users if they are not meeting required criteria to access some restricted content. So, for example, we have logged in, which means that this message will be displayed to the logged out users if they attempt to access the content of the page or post, which is restricted to logged in users only. Next up is user role. This message will be displayed to the users that do not have required user role to view certain content that is restricted. And lastly, we have capability. And this message will be displayed to the users that do not have required capability. Below that, we have an option to restrict comments. If this is enabled, the comments will be restricted as well on the pages or posts that are restricted for the users with certain criteria. Below that, we have an option to restrict the site access. If we enable this, the whole website will be restricted from viewing if you're not logged in. And last but not least, if we enable this, only logged in users will have access to the REST API. So, for example, let's set up a custom message for the logged out users if the content on the page or post is requiring a user to be logged in. And let's enter something like okay. And let's save settings. And then let's head to the pages area and then add new page, something like test page, and we have some test content, and then we will restrict an access to only logged in users, and we will hit the publish button. So let's open this page in our browser incognito mode so we can see how it looks like if we are logged out. And there we have our custom message that we have just set up. Okay. Let's now head back to the general settings of Restrict plugin. And let's say that we want to restrict the site access. Okay, let's save settings. Let's try visiting our website in browser incognito mode. And as you can see, we will be redirected right away to the WordPress login page so that we can log in. And we basically cannot access any of the website with this option enabled if you are not logged in. For more details about the other options, please read our documentation section. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Till the next time, bye bye.